I'm Brittany with WTI, and whether it's summer or winter, you gotta stay hydrated.
This is the black 24-ounce stainless steel hydro cell. Definitely recommend cleaning it before using it for the first time, but it's very easy to clean. It comes with a straw brush that can clean the top and the straw easily to attach and put all together. It has another top option so that you can use it for hot drinks. You can just put your honey, your tea, the hot water straight in. You can then take any hot beverage you desire to go, and it's going to keep your drink hot all day. It also is great for cold beverages. I love this because I can prep my own special water with vitamins and electrolytes. Again, this top does not leak. And you can just take your special drink to go on the road. It's perfect for fitting in a typical car cup holder so that you can have it in ease while you're driving, walking, just getting things done. It is just the perfect size, the perfect look. I absolutely love it.
And that's my point of view.